Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Marshall Middleton. I got it in front of me here, obviously, for £269. These retail at off Amazon. This one was really nice design. These actually, I really like them. Like really nice materials, kind of like a rubbery, like leather kind of material, and then like a plasticky kind of grill on the front. Marshall have always been very good at their designs. You've got passive radiator kind of exits on the side. And it does come with a strap, a handle, which can go around here if you wanted it to. Just some Bluetooth information and stuff on the back, bottom even. And then it's got an aux in and a USB-C in or out, so it can be used as a power bank as well, which is really nice. Like 2 ports, nice and simple, but all the functionality you need realistically. On the top, you can press this, it will show you your battery percentage on these bars, which is nice. You've got this kind of like traditional Marshall thing which will control the volume and skipping of songs. So like each bar has a different brightness and then it will go down to the one below. So you can control the volume and skip songs left and right, which is really nice. It's a really nice premium button, feels very nice. Got a nice click to it. And then over here you've got bass and treble, kind of hard to see, but you can again adjust these using the screen over here. So I have the bass all the way up and the treble in the middle because I like a bit of bass. The bass on the speaker is actually quite impressive for the size as well. I'll take you through some statistics. It has 2 3-inch woofers and 2 3.5-inch tweeters. So considering the size, it packs quite a punch. It's got some good stuff in there. Frequency range is 50 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. So can't go as low as some others, but still a pretty standard frequency range there. Got a 50 watt output technically. There's I think it's 15 watt for each woofer and 10 watt for each tweeter. So I think 50 watt total was the number I came to. 20 hours of playtime, and it takes 4.5 hours to charge, which I thought was quite long. But 20 hours of playtime is obviously very good. Running Bluetooth 5.1. It's also IP67 waterproof, water resistant and dust resistant, which is nice. And 1.8 kilos is what it weighs, so quite hefty for its size. A really nice build quality overall. Nice to, just a good size and shape to put on like behind a TV or underneath something or carry around with you. And it's quite rugged as well due to the kind of almost like bounciness and squishiness of this leather material. So I'll do a quick sound test with everything by Diamond at 80% volume. So that will be, according to the tablet, about there. Second brightness level of the last bar, second to last bar. So it's about 80% volume. We'll do a sound test and then I'll speak about it afterwards.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here when I'm in pain.
Cool, so sound test over. Hopefully that came across well on camera. I think the sound on this thing is actually really, really good. It is £270, so it is slightly on the steep side for this size of speaker. But Marshall is quite a premium brand and their prices are always slightly more than others. So you do pay a bit for the brand here, but the quality of the speaker The design of it, just the fact you know you're getting Marshall quality sound, and the sound itself, I think is actually a pretty decent price. I don't think you complain too much. Bearing in mind the Sony theatre system I just made a video on was 500, so this is about half the price and very much actually better sound. So yeah, I would say for sure, like if you're looking at this is definitely one to shortlist pretty much. Yeah, not too bad price, and you're getting proper quality sound. I've been using this last couple of days for some Spotify general listening. Been using it connected to an Xbox for some games and stuff, and I've been really impressed with the battery life and the bass that comes off it as well. Like even just like flicking between menus, where kind of like it makes a little like thump sound. You can hear it come through the speaker, and of something for this size is brilliant. Also great to have that aux port. There's a couple speakers nowadays that are just coming out with just USB-C ports, and it's like, you know, every now and then you do want to plug something in, so good to have that as well. Really good score for me from this one. I really like it, so yeah, do recommend this one. If you've got any comments or anything, pop them down and I'll try to reply to you all.